Hi Year 5, Mrs Brown here. I hope you're all enjoying your science week so far. It's lesson 3 today and we're going to do a little bit of science experimenting together. So Mrs Davies called me over the weekend. She likes to keep me updated with all of the Muswell Hill news, and she told me that some aliens have landed up in Muswell Hill, I think in Coleful Woods. Didn't know anything about that. Now, the first thing that came to my mind was I want to go and say hello and make them feel welcome, but I can't do that because I'm here at home growing the baby. So I thought, what else could I do to make them feel welcome? I know, they probably don't have much food with them, probably not much room on their spaceship, so I can make them some food. Today we're going to make some alien soup. Now, hopefully you've read your instruction sheet and you'll know what you need for your soup. I'm going to make mine in a big glass bowl. You don't need a big glass bowl. You could use a smaller soup bowl, or you could even use a mug. That's absolutely fine. I'm doing mine in a big bowl so that you can see. Next, I've got my sand. If you don't have sand, that's fine. Go and grab a bit of dirt or soil from the ground outside in the garden or in the park. That's fine to use as well. I'm going to use some rice. Rice is good. If you don't have rice, you could use some pasta or something similar. Paper clips, metal paper clips. Apparently aliens love metal paper clips, so they're going in the soup. Lots of salt and some water to make it soupy. So let's get mixing. I'm going to put all the ingredients into the bowl, give them a good mix. Let's see how it goes. A bit of sand. Oh, you don't need a lot. A little bit of sand. A bit of rice. Get those metal paper clips in there because they love those. Nice big scoop of salt. Well, that's looking good. Doesn't look very soupy so far, does it? Let's add some water. Oh yeah, that looks better. Give it a bit of stir. Mmm, delicious. I'm sure yours looks just as good as mine. Oh, hang on a minute, my phone's ringing. I'll be back. 1 minute. Hello? Oh, hi Mr Bean, how are you? Oh yeah, no, I'm fine. I'm just recording my science video for the Year 5s. Yeah. Yeah, the aliens, yeah. Oh, really? Oh, I didn't know that. No, I've already made the soup. Well, how bad is the allergy? Oh, okay, yeah, that sounds really bad. All right, well, thanks for letting me know. Yeah, I'll see you soon. Thank you. Oh dear. Year 5s, did you know aliens apparently are allergic to salt? Yeah, they're not pretending. It's not that they don't like salt, they're actually allergic to salt. So we need to get the salt out of the soup. How are we going to do that? Well, that's your science challenge for today. Hopefully you've done lesson 1, done lesson 2, and you've done some revision on states of matter, so solids, liquids and gases. Hopefully you've done some revision on reversible and irreversible changes, and hopefully, which will be useful for today, you've done some revision on separating materials. That's what we're going to need to do. So your challenge is to separate out all of the ingredients that we've just put into our alien soup so that you can see them all separately in the state that they were at the very beginning. What we're trying to do, what the aim is to get that salt out of the soup. Now, on your instructions, I've given you a bit of a hint of some things that might help. You might want to use a sieve. You might want to use a magnet. You could use your hands, they might help. You might want to use some filter paper. This is a coffee filter. You might want to use that. Anyway, have a look at your task sheet because I'd like you to write up how on earth you've managed to do it, and I'd like to know if you were successful or not. So have a think, what order are you going to try and remove each of these ingredients, and how are you going to remove each of them? Have a go, let us know how you get on, and if you aren't able to get it quite right, look out for my next video and you'll see how I've done it. Have fun!